Remember when I told you guys that I was going to go to Ross and get some kitchen organizers? These are really cheap. They're only $3.99. And this will be good for the yogurt as well as the fruits that he has. And I think 4 of those would be great. I probably would need 4.
Good to see you, man. Joshua, where are you, son? Still, bud.
I'm gonna get 4. I'm gonna go across one shelf. And that'll keep my shelves from getting dirty. This is $4.99, so it'll be great to have 2 of these. These are not the same size. May even put them in the drawers. The fruit and vegetable as well as the meat drawer. Because I don't want to spend too much. This is an extra drawer for fresher produce in the refrigerator. It probably will work. Looks like it's a double insulation. That's 12, so we're gonna leave that there. Because these are the same size, but they said they are for closet storage. But fridge, freezer bins, because and it's stackable. I think I'm gonna get this one because it's probably as long as the door, and this has a handle just to get it, just so I could get the effect of having more than just one shelf. I probably put one on each shelf. And I'm gonna get this one too. It's $3.99. It looks like some dirt in the corner, but it's not. I don't know. You see that in that corner? It looks like dirt. This one don't have it. So I think I get those. I want to get that one, but that one looks dirty. I'm not going to get these because it has like a label for you, and once I be scrubbing on it, that paper will probably scrub off. So I'm going to leave that alone. I think I would like this if I was to get some sodas. A little soda container and a beverage dispenser. And this one is the one that didn't have a price on it. I don't want to have a lot of different ones. But this is made by the same person. I don't know if I'm going to use them all, but we can use them in the freezer as well. So, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8. I think that's $40. That would give me a budget of $40 to organize my refrigerator. And more content as well. I think I don't have an egg one. That would be a good one, but I don't see one for eggs. I really want that one. But I don't see one that they have for eggs. They also have this one. It's a deep one. It's $5.99. and it's the deepest one that they have, and it would be great for probably my meat tray.
Isn't that the cutest doll beds ever? Love it.
That's a good price. It doesn't look as clear and pretty as the rest of them, so it's something I could use in the freezer. I may leave it here for tomorrow. Let's just stick with this. We'll get that tomorrow. I would like to find one for eggs, but they have some mason jars. A lot of Ross's is gonna have those, but this is probably the canning season, and they have a lot of the Rubbermaids, a lot of the glass jars, and they have Pyrex. Lots of people use these for meal preps, and they are glass. And people use the Rubbermaid for meal preps as well. This is a cake pan lid if you're a cake maker. I'm not sure if it'll hold the cupcakes, but we're not here for that. Just want to show you guys that I did make it into Ross for the organizing my fridge project. To be continued.